Nature's law. In our life, normally we expect everything, whatever our favorite things, only should come and should happen. If they don't come or it won't happen, we will get anger and we hate. For our favorite things, we crave. For our not favorite things, we hate them. This is normal happening in our life. It is against to the nature's law, and we will expect from the people only praises for our doings, not at all abuses. Normally, when we follow nature's law, we must accept both because nature is that it does both depend on our action. Sometimes it may happen because of our past action, sometimes it may give the benefit of present actions, depend on. Opportunities also comes by the nature itself. The people who believes in God, they say that it is a God's decree. Otherwise, it happens practically if we can think. It happens from the nature itself. Only our favorite things, if it will happen, what about others' favorite things? All are human beings. For example, if it is a competitive world, if all are participated, all they don't get first. The winner is only one. Like that, in our daily life also, whatever we desire, we expect. Sometimes, depend on our action, it may happen or may not happen. Then, how it is? If it is God's decree, if we think, God cannot fulfill all the people's dreams at the same time. Depend on our action. Sometimes it may give for us first or for others first. So, no need of disappointment. We have to accept both. If it happen, favorite thing, or won't happen. It comes, won't comes. We don't follow nature's law. Actually, what is nature's law? Take whatever it comes in the life as it is. We think they are actually I am intelligent, so that my action is powerful. Here, nature never decide like that. Depend on our past action and our present purity. If we are expecting the thing without desire, it may happen faster than with expecting or with favorite action. So that it is better to accept what it is the nature's law. All in the universe accept nature's law, except only a man. Example you can see from the birds or animals, whatever it is getting to them as a food, they never expect that they at that time only they get food. At what time they have to wake up, they never expect. By the nature, when rain comes, by the nature, when it is more hot, it is more cool by the winter season, they don't expect. It comes as it come by the nature, they accept it. But as a human, we are little, we have a mind, so that we have intellect, we think, and we will think more than all other animals, that what I expect that only should happen. But it won't happen because the nature's law is same for all. Example, if you can see, if the person he doesn't like bitter gourd, he doesn't eat. He will expect only his favorite things. Normally, if you can see all other animals, they never cook. Directly they eat the food. Even the fruits they eat with peel. But if we can think, they eat with peel, they eat vegetables, raw vegetables. But like us, they don't suffer from many diseases. Example, cancer, etc. They live healthy because they follow the nature's law. We don't follow like that. There is another example. We have another difference in us, that is, even if we want to send for the school for an education our children, we will think about education, but there we never think that teacher is our creed or others religion, whether she is a dark colored or a white colored, or how much she has education, etc. Vice versa, if you can see, for the treatment when we go for a doctor, we never expect a doctor from our creed, and we never think that is he a doctor of dark colored complexion or a female or a male. But when the need is very important, there we follow definitely nature's law. But when there is a choice, we definitely expect our favorite things. But it is wrong. When even we expect against the nature's law, it won't happen in our life. Life is with taste and distaste, good and bad, pleasure and pain, light and dark. The last it is even the matter and ash also. Example, if you can see, our universe is more filled with space than material. It appears to our eyes that we have more matter, but once if we can burn it, a big building, a very huge large building also, it can become a pieces of a few gunny bags. But for constructing, more years it takes. It stands as a tower of big building, but when it will dismantle, it abundance into ash and in a few bags of gunny. So that what appears to our eyes, what we expect, that is all not natural. It is artificial. In another example, if you can see, we will expect that a good woman, a clever woman, a beautiful woman, I would like to get married. There is a reality that an ugly woman is not getting married. Only doctors are getting married. Only educated people are getting married. Is illiterate not getting married? All people, those who are getting both on the earth, are they not getting food? How the handicap is getting food? Everything. It is the activity of the nature. It does how it has to do, so that nature's decision and nature's law is different from our desire and favoritism. For example, if we don't accept the nature and we expect and we will crave and we try for only whatever we expect, if it won't happen at the time of birth, if we crave for that, it get forward to the next birth too. So it is better what it comes from the nature, accepting and utilizing and living joyfully. So there is another example. Even the children, little children, small infants, they don't come. Those who are negative vibrations with the people, even if they give hands to take them, they will cry. Even if we forcibly take them for a few minutes or seconds only, they stay with us. After that, they go to the other people, those who have positive vibrations. Other thing, even the birds, animals, also, those who have positive vibrations, they never get fear to come near to them. That positive vibrations, how does it come? They come only with what we expect, what we accept, what it comes in our life as it is. So that we have to live, we have to mingle, we have to talk, we have to speak with everybody. We should not show difference with a dark skinned people in one way and with attractive skinned people in another way. We should accept our every activity as it is, what nature has given to us.